What's going on, everybody? So, a little after 5 a.m. having coffee, trying to wake up. It's been a long week. Saturday, 5:42 a.m., July 11th. The Sea-Doo dealership in Miramichi is going to be holding a Sea-Doo social day, so we're going to go up to that. But we don't have a Sea-Doo. We got a jet ski. But all PWCs are welcome. And a few boats and whatever, so we're gonna go down that way, do a little run with them, do a beach cleanup, and maybe do a little fishing. We'll see what happens there. Anyways, stay tuned. I gotta wake up. Let's get on the road. What's going on? So we had a bit of a change of plans. We didn't bring the jet ski there today. Brought the boat just to be a little bit more comfortable. But we're down here with the Sea-Doo Social Club. We're gonna do a river cleanup. So everybody's just kind of getting into the water and stuff here, getting ready down at the Miramichi Marina. Let's go see how this day goes. Alright, so I guess we're off to our first beach to go and clean up. Here, we should throw these in there. In with the Sea-Doo Social Club in a legend boat. We're outcasts trying to fit in. Okay, here we go. Ready? Beautiful day on the Miramichi. So we made it to our first destination. We're gonna go clean this nice, beautiful beach. I'm surrounded by Sea-Doos. I feel like an outcast. It's okay though. Wow. Some pretty big jellyfish for around here. Pretty good size. Normally we don't see them that big. Well, I don't normally. Usually they're just smaller ones or whatever. Something like that would normally be like a big one. There's a big one. Look at that pile of jelly. Sweet. 10 cents. Getting paid by the can. Now we just need to find 500 more. Found another? You're such a good garbage picker. Hey, look. You found, right there, you were stepping on it. That's, it's plastic. Oh no, it's wood. Painted wood. It's alright, it can stay there. Sandals is not the greatest idea for this kind of for walking on a beach. They say sandals for sand, but I'm telling you, man, there's so many little rocks in my sandals. Oh, I found my first treasure. A piece of plastic. Wondering if I was gonna do any work, eh? Oh, there's another one. It's all up here. Well, whatever. You're gonna need a bigger bag.
We'll get the sand out.
Yeah. You got her? The bucket.
Yeah, it was cold on the other side, but here it's like, whew.
She's warm.
Yeah.
She's warm. Yeah, you're hot. She's like, oh, it's so hot over here. I was like, yeah, you're hot. Big piece of sandpaper.
Yeah, that's right.
Sanding belt.
Sanding belt. You want it?
Take that home. I need this. Need that for the shop. Yeah, big piece of wire too. Oh, there's a buoy. You're an interprovincial cleaner upper.
You guys walk all the way around?
They did, yeah.
Back here at the beginning.
Oh, there's a circle you can wander through over there. Yeah. I don't think you're going to do that. I don't know how big they are, but...
Alright, well, so that's the first beach that we cleaned up or whatever. I guess we're gonna go have lunch there. We got only so much time for the day to do this, I guess. So, yeah, we're gonna head up to the marina. We're gonna offload some garbage and then head to our second spot. Alright, everybody. So that's the Sea-Doo Social Club Miramichi River Cleanup. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Hit subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.